My name is Venkata Akshintala. I'm a medical pancreatologist and therapeutic endoscopist at Johns Hopkins Hospital. I want to share with you my clinical interests and philosophy for patient care. Pancreatic disorders often lead to long-term disability and suffering of the patients. So this became my interest during PhD and my postdoctoral research work. After my gastroenterology fellowship at Johns Hopkins Hospital, I received additional training in therapeutic endoscopy and medical pancreatology, during which I have gained expertise in the management of pancreatic biliary disorders. My expertise spans across the spectrum of pancreatic disorders such as pancreas cyst, precancer, pancreas cancer screening, but I specially focus on the management of inflammatory disorders of pancreas like acute and chronic pancreatitis. I also perform therapeutic endoscopy procedures in the management of bile duct disorders and other GI conditions. I strive to provide a compassionate and comprehensive care for my patients and understand the importance of multidisciplinary team-based approach. So I work very closely with my colleagues in surgery, radiology, oncology, pain management to come up with a comprehensive evidence-based plan that is personalized for each patient. My clinical and research interests go in parallel. I focus my research especially on acute and chronic pancreatitis, and I perform international studies, especially collaborating with the Dutch Pancreatitis Study Group, where I received my PhD and have performed some landmark clinical trials in pancreatitis. I also work with Asian Institute of Gastroenterology, one of the largest GI hospitals in the world, where I hold an adjunct faculty appointment. Through these clinical trials, I have been able to identify better ways to treat my patients. I also apply novel technologies in my research like artificial intelligence, and I have been able to develop and patent drugs for treating pancreatic disorders and other GI conditions. There is no better feeling than the satisfaction that you receive on relieving your patient's suffering. So I continue to strive on the clinical and research side to improve patient care.